Welcome back to Last Week Updates. Today, I'm showing you something that honestly reminded me why people fall in love with cars in the first place. You know that moment when a machine doesn't just look fast but feels alive? That's exactly the energy the 2026 BMW Z4 brings, and trust me, you'll want to stick with me till the end because this one changes the way a Roadster should behave in 2025 and 2026. The new Z4 keeps its classic low-slung Roadster shape, but the details are sharper, cleaner, and more mature. The front grille is slimmer, the LED headlights are more focused, and the long hood looks like it's ready to leap forward at any moment. The updated alloy wheels and wider stance add a more athletic look, while the soft-top roof still folds in seconds, making it perfect for any climate, whether you're in Europe, Asia, America, or anywhere around the world. Inside, BMW has made the cabin more premium than ever. You get a fully digital instrument cluster, a larger curved infotainment display running the latest iDrive system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a surprisingly comfortable seating position for a sports roadster. The materials are top tier, soft leather, aluminum accents, high-quality stitching, and yes, the cabin isolation is improved so highway wind noise stays low even when the roof is up. Performance is where this Z4 steps ahead. It offers a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine for efficiency-focused drivers and a powerful 3.0 inline-six for true enthusiasts. The acceleration feels instant, the steering is sharp, and the car delivers a balanced rear-wheel drive feel that makes every turn addictive. BMW has tuned the suspension for both comfort and thrill, meaning you can enjoy daily driving as much as weekend runs on open roads. Safety and tech features include adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, multiple drive modes, parking sensors, and a high-resolution reversing camera. Everything you expect from a modern premium sports car. As for price, it varies by region, but globally it sits in the premium sports category, offering strong value for a luxury performance roadster with BMW engineering and long-term reliability. The 2026 BMW Z4 isn't just a car. It's a reminder that driving can still be exciting, emotional, and beautifully engineered.